You've mentioned a lot about medifacial. So what are those?
Okay, so you know about the facials जो आपके
Salons में
salons
होते
and
हैं,
parlors में
yes.
हो रहे हैं. Now, medifacial is something जो आपके स्किन साइंस को इन्वॉल्व करता है एंड इट्स अगर एक मेडिफेशियल आप करा रहे हैं तो यानी कि आप एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट से ही करा सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
एज आई सेड क्योंकि इट इन्वॉल्व स्किन साइंस. देर आर डिवाइसेस दैट वी यूज़. आपने सुना है हाइड्रा फेशियल्स, वैम्पायर फेशियल्स, फोटो फेशियल्स, इंस्टा ग्लो फेशियल, लॉट ऑफ फेशियल्स. Now, each of these are we tend to target a particular indication. अगर मुझे आपकी normal skin है, I might use a facial to target the glow. So I might take out the dead layers of your skin through our devices, and I might infuse some medicated serums in the layers, not just lipa poti, in the layers, and I might seal up your face. So that ways it is giving you a little longer lasting results. Since it is involving the skin science, dermatology, they are usually safe, the results are long lasting, and results are usually good. So we tend to target. So it's a medifacial is any facial that is done by a dermatologist involving the skin science to target a specific indication that you have.
So why should I go for medifacial and not a normal facial? And also, what's the cost difference between the two?
These days in metro cities, a normal facial is not cheap, and if you pour a few say hundreds, you can easily go ahead with a medifacial.
I mean, let's say an average normal basic facial cost you 1,000 or 2,000 bucks.
So a hydrofacial usually starts from somewhere around 2,500 to 3,000. Advanced ones will go up till 3,500, like that. So not very expensive. Results are longer lasting. On the other hand, normal facials you'll get results for 4-5 days,
Yeah.
and then your skin is going back to its original state. And that is something. Secondly, with a normal facial, I don't know, there might be certain products that might give you uneven skin tone over a long period of time.
It has side effects on you.
It might have, we don't know.
Hmm.
So it might give you uneven tone. A lot of people, how did they get uneven tone? Because of repeated bleaching, maybe repeated facials and cleanups.
Yeah.
They are the role of medifacial. So if you are aware and you should, you want some facial thing, you should go for medifacial. It's like that.
And what is bleaching and what does it do to your skin? Generally,
To-
my perception of bleaching is जब लोगों के facial हो रहे होते हैं and they get it the bleach done so that it covers, it gets another color.
So bleaching is to bleach out, to remove the pigment from the hair. तो आपने वो जो है उसको
Bleach is always done on hair.
स्किन में करते हैं. वो एक एक बाल तो नहीं चूज कर सकते. सो बट देन व्हाट डज द केमिकल डू
It lightens the color.
एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम? कुछ महीनों के बाद में व्हाट विल यू सी अ लिटिल डार्कनिंग. वो धीरे धीरे अनइवन टोन होगा. रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस से आपको समझ में आएगा कि वो ब्लीच्ड एरिया इज गेटिंग टैंड अप. ऐसा लगेगा कि टैंड हो गया है, डार्क हो गया. इट्स नॉट सेफ फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म. अब सी फॉर हेयर द मेडिकल ऑप्शन फॉर रिमूवल, आई विल से रिमूवल जो प्रॉपरली वर्क करता है इज जस्ट लेजर्स एज ऑफ नाउ. कोई ऐसा मेडिसिन नहीं है जिससे बाल झड़ जाएंगे. क्रीम इज देयर बट अगेन doesn't work as good as the laser.
I also want you to speak about UV light therapy, which is very much in trend. And I've seen a lot of influencers using the mask on, and it emits light on your face, and it looks very cool. And what does it do?
तो भाई वो UV लाइट नहीं होती. UV इज़ अ स्पेसिफिक कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ द सन, अल्ट्रा वायलेट.
Okay.
एंड जो आपके टैनिंग बेड्स वगैरह जो हमने डिस्कस करें उसमें इट्स अ लिटिल बिट यूज्ड. एंड UV लाइट डर्मेटोलॉजी में भी यूज इन अ लॉट ऑफ थेरेप्यूटिक इंडिकेशन. जो आपके पूवा चैम्बर्स होते हैं, नैरो बैंड UVB चैम्बर्स होते हैं जो हम विटिलिगो, सोराइसिस, अदर इंडिकेशंस में यूज़ करते हैं. सो तो जो मास्क आप बात कर रहे हैं, दे आर जस्ट LED लाइट्स.
Okay.
And there are different colors, wavelengths, and they tend to target different indications. Like अगर आपको acne है, acne prone skin है, so I might use a blue light. But this is not a UV light. Ultraviolet light is invisible
Okay.
to the eye. उसमें थोड़ा सा आपका visible component है, blue light है, it's a different thing. But ultraviolet light is invisible. And कोई भी OTC यानी over the counter चीज़ में आपको UV rays नहीं होगा और होना भी नहीं चाहिए UV rays. Okay. Now LED lights are there, and these days obviously the level of evidence is a little low, just like glutathione.
Okay.
Lekin they tend to calm down a few indications. We do LED mask after certain medifacials. So if you have an acne prone, I might use a certain wavelength to cool it down. And a standalone LED mask and all don't have much results. So it's just a wastage. But as a mask, after certain, let's say, medifacial, if I am doing certain procedure on your face and I'm using the light to cool it down, then yes, it helps a little bit to cool that thing down. But a normal skin pe, if you are trying to apply, and I don't think it's going to give you anything in a normal skin.
So you apply something and then you use the mask.
It depends again. We usually tend to shield the eye
Okay.
and then do the therapy. And usually, as I said, post medifacials, we give LED masks in certain cases to cool down or to target a particular indication. Like if there is a lot of redness or sensitive skin, I might use a yellow light. If there is a lot of acne, I might after the procedure, I might use a blue light. If I need a little bit tightening, I might use a red one, like that.
Obviously, I belong to this industry, and I see a lot of anchors, and I see a lot of stage people talk about this thing to me, that they have done IV sessions, IV therapy, and at that point of time I was not well equipped with the knowledge कि क्या बात कर रहे हैं, कहाँ गए थे. But educate me on that part, that what is this IV therapy that I see a normal individual also going and saying that I've taken my IV sessions.
So yes, so IV drips, IV sessions, IV therapies, IV lightening agents, these are going on a lot. Again, before mentioning about these, I'll say that the level of evidence for the scientific evidence for these is very poor right now.
Okay.
And again, the long-term safety is not known. But then it is safe in majority, usually doesn't cause problems. Usually, I'll say, because every body is different and it's a human body. You never know कि किसको किस चीज़ से allergy है, क्या reactions हैं. As a doctor, I get to do, as a dermatologist, I'll say, I get to see a lot of skin reactions from simple trivial medicines like your paracetamol. तो ये तो IV है. तो we always sign the consent forms and all before undergoing all these things.
Procedures.
Yeah, mentioning everything जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि इसमें long term safety is not known, usually safe है, but long term safety is not known. आपकी body कैसे react करती है, we don't know. But usually these are safe. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो once in a while किसी को reaction हो रही है, but again it's a possibility. But they contain mix in IV drips certain agents. Say आपका IV glutathiones हैं. There are a lot of things these days, alpha lipoic acid.
Basically है किसके लिए ये चीज़? For glow?
For glow, for whitening, as I said, 1 or 2 tone, very temporary results.
And you have to keep taking it for you to look a certain way.
Maintenance is required, maintenance sessions are. And so in general for energy boost के लिए, आपका hydration के लिए, so dullness थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा सा it will work on that.
So it comes under cosmetology.
Different agents हैं, तो वो क्या use करना है, आपका क्या ज़रूरत है and what should be better.
So it comes under aesthetic dermatology.
Everything which we are trying to do something for your skin, whether IV, oral, is a dermatology aspect. Everything is a dermatology aspect.
I want you to talk about microneedling, because I remember this very significantly. You used this thing on me, and I was very skeptical and scared, but obviously it was from your hand, so I just left it. So I also somehow enjoyed the whole process.
And you got good results post that.
Yeah.
So microneedling is collagen induction therapy.
Yeah.
Collagen, again, in dermis, the ground substance is like hyaluronic acid, and there are fibers, collagen, elastin. So collagen is a component of your dermis. Now, these collagen, through controlled microtraumas to the skin, we are causing collagen induction in your dermis. So when the collagen is induced in your skin, you get a youthful appearance. Your scar tissue, आपके फेस पे गड्ढे हैं, तो गड्ढों में क्या है कि फाइब्रस टिश्यू है, वो कोलेजन नहीं है वहाँ पे, एक फाइब्रस टिश्यू आ गया है, वो अलग टिश्यू है. तो अगर हमने स्कार्ड एरिया पे माइक्रोनीडलिंग करी तो वहाँ पे कोलेजन इंडक्शन के कारण वो स्कार का अपीयरेंस बेटर हो जाता है. And there are different type of scars, so it works in rolling scars, so it's a very technical part. तो that gets better. बट अगेन एक सेशन से नहीं होता, इसमें रिपीटेड सेशंस चाहिए. एंड द माइक्रो नीडलिंग दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज अ मेडिकल ग्रेड मतलब देर आर रोलर्स ऑफ सर्टन से डेप्थ दैट वी यूज एज पर द इंडिकेशन. जो आपके these days you get a lot of derma rollers.
Yeah, those guashas and
We'll talk about guashas. Rollers आजकल होम यूज़ के लिए people get 0.25 they don't do anything.
okay.
उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. Don't waste your time, money on those. You know, if you want to experience the result of microneedling, you should come and get a proper microneedling from a dermatologist to see some result. And it's one of the least expensive, or should I say one of the most economical, सबसे सस्ता एक procedure जो है आपका उसमें. These days we do it with derma pen.
Okay.
There are pens for microneedling that we use. वो बहुत ही targeted way में करते हैं. So there are a lot of advancements there.
Okay.
So it is going to give you a youthful skin, rejuvenated skin. Your scars are going to improve. Open pores might improve a little bit with that. A lot of, and it's not going to cost a lot on your pocket.
And these has to be used under supervision and
Those that work, वो तो आपको आकर ही कराना पड़ेगा. आप घर पे कितना भी रोल कर लो.
yeah.
Now see the things that you mentioned, guashas or ice rollers, they are just kind of face massagers, I'll say. Your hand से आप उसको massage कर रहे हैं to improve the circulation maybe a little bit. But
What is lymphatic drainage?
so the people who have a lot of puffiness on their face, swelling around the eyes, not because of any internal problems. क्योंकि अगर आई एरिया में swelling and all है तो बहुत सारी internal diseases हैं, kidney problems, cardiac problems जिनके कारण हो सकता है.
ठीक है.
बट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव से नींद बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है या कम हुई है उसके कारण अगर हो रही है तो वैसे तो वो सेल्फ रिजॉल्विंग है अपने आप ही थोड़ी देर में विथ योर नॉर्मल रूटीन एंड ऑल इट गेट्स ओके because your body is capable of taking care of it. But for faster resolution, you might do a little massaging with the rollers and all. So that is going to help in a little faster resolution of that puffiness.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आया है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर न्यू चैनल होकस पोकस शॉर्ट्स एंड क्लिप्स. ऐसे ही अपने आप को एंटरटेन करने के लिए, अब मोटिवेट करने के लिए और अपनी नॉलेज को अपग्रेड करने के लिए देखते रहिए इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट मैजिकल पॉडकास्ट होकस पोकस विद आंचल.